So if you're looking for a way to customize your WooCommerce product page, well, editing this one is actually quite easy. So in order for you to start editing your WooCommerce product page, well, you need to access a very specific page here. Now, first things first, you want to go and just log into your admin page or your admin website here. Now at the left side, you want to go and just look for appearance. Let's go and just click on it. And in here, you want to go and just start customizing whatever current theme you currently have. But let's go and just click on the editor here at the left side so that it will redirect you to your editor. Now, once you are in your editor, instead of going to navigation pages, you want to go just click on templates at the left side here. Now, specifically on templates, you should see WooCommerce. Let's go and just press on it or click on it. Now in here, since we want to edit our product page, well, what you need to do is you want to look for the option or template here that says single product. Now, by the way, there are different product pages that you could edit here, like for example, the product catalog and different pages as well, like the cart page as well. But let's go and click on the single product. Now, once you click on this one, it should give you the option to basically edit your product page. Now there are a few customizations that you could do in here. Like for example, you can move things around. Like if you want to remove basically move the reviews just underneath the pricing, you can go and just press and hold on it and just drag it just below that. But yeah, so pretty much is like everything is drag and drop here. But if you want to edit like certain attributes of your product name or the reviews here, well, you could go and just click on it and it should give you the options here to basically change a few things like the padding, what's the size for it, if you want to make it large, extra large, or extra extra large. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that as well in here. Add paddings, margins, and if you want to access the advanced settings, you could also add the, like additional CSS classes here as well. Now, if you want to edit your, like for example, add to cart here or your this block display extra here. So if you want to edit that, you can go and again click on those sections, and we'll give you the option here to basically change a few things. Like, is it like an input or is it a stepper here? Depends on your preference. Now, as you can see, if you click on template as well, it gives you the option to choose either the header or the footer here. So if you want to change a few things, you can go and click on edit on the appropriate option here if you want to edit that further. But let's go and just go back in here. Now, if you want to add like an element, you go and click on the top left or block or plus button at the top left here, and it should give you the option to add images like quotes or code here if you want, details if you want here. So for example, if you want to add, let's just say a section for a quote, you can go and just drag and drop that into your product page here. Go and click on that block, and it should give you the option to change a few things. Like if you want to make it a code, a column, details, or whatnot, you can go and do that. And if I'm not mistaken, you also have like the option to add widgets in here. So just drag it in them in here. You can even add like a navigation, a sidebar, header, vertical header, footer, and a lot more. So yeah, but once you're done, just make sure to save your changes. Like click on the save button at the top right here to save your changes. And after that, you're pretty much good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.